Okay guys, second assignment for the week is going to be how to do an index. An index is similar to a table of contents. The difference is it usually appears at the end, and all your headings and subheadings are lined up in alphabetical order rather than being in the order that they would appear in the book. And this makes it really easy if you want to look something up. You read a book and you remember, yeah, I read about the staff, but what page is that on? You could look through the table of contents, or you could go to the index and just look it up in alphabetical order. So I'm going to change a couple of things here. Well, I guess it doesn't matter. The staff, the students, they both start with S. But let me update my table of contents. Okay, now to make an index, let me see here. Where is it? It is under references, index right here. You have to mark what you want to be in your index. So where the table of contents did everything completely automatically for you, well, your headings and subheadings still have to be, still have to use this heading and subheadings styles, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, and then you have to go through and you have to actually mark what you want in your index. So I'm going to select staff, and I click Mark Entry. Yeah, staff is a main entry. Basically, in my mind, I like to think of this as heading 1. If it is a heading 2 entry, I like to put it in the sub-entry. That way it appears indented in the index, and you'll see that in the very end. So I'm going to mark that, and you see that mark appears. Staff, students, I'm going to mark that. Okay, now here's one of our sub-entries, so I'm going to mark it, but I'm going to actually put it here. Oh, I have to have the main entry, so I still have to have oops. There. Same thing here. Okay, then this would be a main entry, so that's fine just how it is. Okay, now you have all this garble up here, which is, code for Word to see. It's just showing you that everything is marked. If you don't want to see it, right here. So you can show and hide, just like you did before with your paragraph markers and all the other hidden formatting symbols can be shown or hidden there. So if something's not appearing in your index, that'd be a good troubleshooting tool to go back and figure out why, whether it's marked properly, whatever. Now, just like with the table of contents, you usually don't want that, on the same page as your actual content. So I'm going to put in a page break, so we're down here. Then I'm going to insert an index. Now you have, you have a lot of different options here, and indent I do want to happen, because see how Earth is indented because it's subheading. And right align page numbers, yes, I do want that. The tab leader is just personal preference, that's just the little dots right there. And formats from template, yeah. Columns, you guys played with columns. I guess we could put it in 2 columns, it really doesn't matter. To me anyhow, it might look a little fancier and more professional if you put it into 2. And let's click OK and see what happens. There we go, there's our index. Everything is in alphabetical order now. And if you have a really long document, this can make things very easy to find. So for the second part, well, the second assignment for this week, create a document that has an index, or just add an index to your first assignment. So you have your table of contents and your index, and then hand that in for grading, and that'll be worth 10 points. And now you guys know how to make your document look more like a book.